Hey there. Welcome to 800 SAT Math, our third episode to give quick tricks about isolating quantity. But before we start, hit the subscribe button to get more tips for better SAT math score. At first, there is a meaning behind being the factor of the function, as that means that k is the x-intercept, which means if you plug in k in the function instead of x, the function should be equal to 0. Take k squared as common factor, then k squared will be eliminated based on the null factor law. Then you can simply isolate n, and n should be 29. The answer will be D. You can repeat the video for further clarity. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy studying.